Hello guys, welcome back to our tutorial time. In this video, without wasting of any time, we have a very short period to go into this process on how to do this custom corner radius shape in our Sketchware app. Without this one is without MoreBlock, you can do something like this. That's what we want to learn on how to do it in this video. As you can see the examples, you may want to say I want to add strokes like this. You say I want to change the background of it like this. You say I want to do it not until it is a rectangle. You can do it with any shapes. So that's simple as anything in this tutorial. So be endeavor to share this video, like this video, subscribe to the channel if you are new to the channel. You will not see this tutorial in any channel on YouTube. I have made the research so to know, because about over 20 people that were asking for this tutorial, but I didn't want to have that interest to do this kind of video because I was like, maybe there are some of those tutorials out there, but someone just came and like being interested. I was like, this thing has been being worried by people or by my viewers on YouTube, so I decided to do this video to see if people can be able to have their ease through this video. So this video is very interesting. People are there looking for it. Feel free to share the video, reach more people, and support our channel by clicking on the subscribe button if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel. Now let's dive into it and start our programming.
Welcome to Unlimited Monies blog, your ultimate destination for everything related to app development, website blog tips, tech tutorials, business strategies, and making money online. If you're ready to dive into the world of digital entrepreneurship and unlock unlimited potential, you're in the right place. Before we dive into today's content, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends who share your passion for technology and online business. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more exciting content. Remember, your feedback helps us grow and improve, so don't hesitate to reach out. You can also comment in the description. Now, let's get started and turn your dreams into reality. Thanks for tuning in.
In my Sketchware app now, I want to create a new project. I'll give a name and some of the configuration, then I move forward. Now this is my my new project. I don't have to do much thing. I want to give you an example of this thing, so you can use this custom block that I have created. I program it for my fans, for my viewers, for my subscribers, and all my people that are here in this channel. Once you reach, you know that your problem for custom radius is solved. You can use it in any view, maybe linear or guts or text view, bottom or button view. Any other view you want to make use of this block, you can use it. So for example, I want to first of all have a background, then I drag in one of my, let's say, another view to set it, to use it for the radius let's say 200 in white. And what next here we have for, let's say, 100 in height. So I want to bring it to the middle. I bring it to the center. Now it is in the center. As you can see, these two views does not have let's say specific background. So let me set background for this one, let's say gray. The first main background is gray, and this one I can use white, though you set the background when you want to do the logics. Let me just have white for now. As you can see, this middle one is linear too, so any view you are using, maybe you are using button to do this, it still work for you. Now let's go to our events tab. Under the events tab, I want to use my own. I want to use on create. Maybe you want to use MoreBlock, maybe you want to use view on click, but I'm using on create. Anyone you want to use is still work. This one is not a block from Sketchware. This one is custom block. I am the one that provide the block. I do everything to make sure that it is easier for my people to make use of this block and run their programming successfully. So I click on my block area. I don't want to spend much time here. I go down to the block, custom block. As you can see, this is the custom block. It's only one. This one block perform the miracle for you. So now this one is, you go read, you see, if you can see that, you see there are lists or text on the listing that is easier for you to understand the prescription of it. See that say that this view was a, maybe if you are using button, you select the button view. I'm using linear 2, so I select the linear 2. So now the next part of it is set the corner radius to TL. This TL means top left, so you put the number you want to use in the top left. So my own, I'm using let's say 100 on the top left. So the next one is TR, which is top right. So I select the number, put the number value of the radius. Now you put my own, I want to use let's say 30. I'm using 30 to the top right. The next one we have here is BR, which is bottom right. So I still, let's say I want to use 40. You can use different any I want to make use of your radius. Your radius will be nice, or any I want to use. The last one or the following one is BL, which is bottom left, the left side of the bottom. Others are 100, 30, 40. I can use let's say 50. Okay, let's say I want to use 65. I use 65 for this one. So the other one is set color. So you can set the color, the background color, something background. So you select any one you want to use. I will go with let's say I want to go with let's say orange color here. I select orange color. You see, the best thing I have done for you people in this block is that you can put stroke. So either you want to put stroke, you add the value here, you add the value. How size do you want it to be? What is stroke? Stroke is the rounds design, the non additional color round design that is in that view. As you can see in this particular one, this is stroke. You see the round corner of this thing is stroke. The blue one, round corner of inside, put the red inside, is the stroke. This one is, so you can set the size. The sizes, you can see that the sizes are not the same, so that is stroke in this area. So you do the stroke here, set the stroke. I want to use it. If you don't want to use this stroke, don't keep it empty. Instead you use zero value. You can use 0 if you don't want to use it. If you don't want to add stroke to it, you use 0. If you want to add maybe as little or as bigger, I'm using 6 in my own. Then you select the color of the stroke. So if you are using 0 and you select color, it will not show. Instead, if you are using 0, best for you to use transparent. So transparent will not show the stroke. So my own, I choose black to my stroke. That is all. Nothing is there again. It's for us to run the app. You run your app and install it and see if what you are doing is working for you. For concerning the custom block, in the description section of this video, you will see the custom block link there. It will take you to the Telegram channel. You will get it there. The custom block, you will not see it anywhere. It's built by me. It is new and you can only see it in my Telegram channel. So don't say I want to search over another place. You will not see it. I will update the app. The app is new app. I don't know why they ask for updates. So I installed my app now. Want to open my app. I want to open. As you can see, it's working. So this is the radius. You see, this side is, look at the side, look at the side, look at it, and look at it. So that is how simple and easier for you to get it without MoreBlock, without add custom custom code block or code directory. So add any code or whatever thing. It is easier. People are looking for something like this that will ease them in their programming. So don't be hesitate. Be endeavor to share this video. Share it as many as groups you may want. You can share it. like the video. If you are new to the channel, there are more videos for you. You may want to have interest in it. Check the description section and click on the playlist so that you see those videos and engage yourself with those videos. And always come and watch for the next tutorial that will help you for your programming to be successful. Thank you for watching the video. I believe the video has been of help to you. Click on the like button, like the video, share it. See you in our next tutorial.